Okay, coming in the front door. So the house has been almost entirely redone. So new windows, new flooring, new walls, new electrical. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. So, and they opened the house up quite a bit. So a lot of these structural elements here, those are probably large beams supporting the second floor. So they were able to achieve a very open floor plan. As you can see, I'm standing in the center of the house and you can see all the way around. There aren't any old walls in here. So there is a master bedroom on the main level. Nice sized room, and I think this was an addition, because if I look down the basement, there's a new basement underneath this. I'll show you guys in a minute. And there's a his and her bathroom here. Very nice, and again, everything brand new. So, shower stall. There is going to be a glass door put in there, toilet, built-in cabinets, a couple things, hollow core doors, which kind of surprised me, but again, it is what it is. All new HVAC. Kitchen's very nice. Again, tall cabinets, new windows, you know, again, everything is brand new. In the back here is the entry. There's a half bath here. And then also a utility sink, washer, dryer. And this is the entrance coming in from the back of the house. And this is also the entrance going out to the garage. So the garage is right here. Again, you can see outside, all new area wells, concrete pads, all the flat work's been redone, new siding, new light fixtures, you know, check, check, check. Even one of the cool sliding barn doors going into the kitchen from the back of the house here. So going upstairs, brand new staircase, new handrails. Again, I really can't see anything in this house that hasn't been redone. So, first bedroom, top of the stairs. Again, new roof on the outside, new windows. And these are vinyl, dark vinyl windows. Closet, light fixture, smoke detector, doors, trim, the works. Upper main bath on the second floor. It's quite nice. This is a fiberglass shower unit. Tile floors. Granite countertops. Linen closet. New HVAC. So there's two thermostats, so the house is zoned. That front part of the house has got a metal roof on it, which is kind of cool. Another nice sized bedroom. And fourth bedroom over here. So there's a lot of room in this house. Gonna head downstairs now. We're going down the basement, so keep in mind this is a very old farmhouse, so it's got a stone basement. So this is the thing about these 100-plus-year-old houses, is that you can't do a rec room in a basement like this. So it's all the mechanical, so it's all new ductwork. They did some new support beams. They fixed the floor. There was a lot of plumbing that was probably put into the floor here. All the drain waste vent, that's the PVC here, is all brand new. As far as I can tell, it's all new electrical. They mortared all the walls. So these are all stone walls that have been remortared. Again, the cuts in the floor here, you can see the pattern change. It's where they put the plumbing in. New furnace, new water heater, new water softener. I think they even redid the water service for the city. This is the zone control for the multiple zones within the home. And This is an older, probably storage area, but they even did spray and core bond in the joist space here. So that'll seal things up. Actually, this is all new framing. So this basement is old, but they reframed everything. So these are all new floor joists. So this is that room up in the front. Yeah, this is all brand new. They even redid the concrete floors in some spots. This is a crawl space, but again, it's a new, this is, I think, the addition for the bedroom upstairs, because that's all new framing materials in there. And obviously electrical and heating. But even that space in the back there has got the Corobond. So that's all new stuff. They put in supports in different spots to level the house. Again, a lot of new concrete, brand new electrical system. And then this is the addition on the back of the house, probably part of the kitchen because there's a lot of plumbing and such in here. And again, they fixed all these interior walls and they've all got new concrete on them. And this is again a new block space, all new windows. So all in all, very nicely done. I think the workmanship here was good and they touched everything. So really there's nothing of this house that they didn't redo. And I think probably part of the issue of the reason this might not have sold at this point in time is this. So I'll walk out to the front of the house. So it's a nice neighborhood behind this. I've got a couple friends that live back there, actually one of my best friends. So all new concrete driveway, brand new garage space, but this is what you have across the street. So it's old storage and commercial. So the view from the front of the house is, Economy Glass is down there. The chimney company is down there. We use both of them on a regular basis. And then there's a condo complex over this side. So just want to give you guys a good look at the property, and then I'm going to get going. I'll send this to you via email.